partner, pwede na rin pang jobs. Ano yung mga kulay-kulay nila dun sa may bulak ay sa may bottom. Ayaw, fresh.
Thank you so much for offering us a very beautiful and colorful float. Barangay Ambion! First, plants, vegetations, and other indigenous materials. Ang dami mga fresh na mga ingredients ba? Ayan, mga materials na ginamit nila para sa kanilang float. Grabe ang choreography, may pa-left and right.
Ang ganda din nung na-center nilang choreography according to Limitless na Trinidad, which is the symbol infinity.
Oo, may pa-infinity sila dito. Infinity with a heart.
Ay!
Oo, ibig sabihin yan. Oo, infinity na may heart. Dito sa La Trinidad. Talaga naman. Maraming salamat po sa mga barangay officials na nandito. Galing sa barangay Pico. Palapakan naman po natin sila. Apakagaling. Ayun, uy! May basket, may lamang sayote. May lettuce. Ano yun?
Strawberry.
Oo, tsaka strawberries. We have
Wangal! Parang walang matanda sa wangal ngayon. Patingin naman ako ng wave natin, wangal! Saan kayo?
Here, coffee pours generously. The float embodies warmth and dedication and the unity of Wangal's community, echoing the Strawberry Festival spirit of shared harvest and joy. A meticulously arranged coffee plate mirrors the community's firm roots, while rising aromatic steam captures the unwavering passion, unity, and camaraderie, showcasing Wangal's vibrant spirit, agricultural pride, and relentless pursuit of limitless communal prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, ang teacup ay hindi, ang coffee cup ng Barangay Wangal! Again, they are competing under the Valley of Colors category. Kaya naman nakikita niyo, white na white flower ang ating dominant color for Barangay Wangal's float.